Okay, welcome to the video lecture series, lecture 3 in CNC machine. Okay, in CNC, previous lecture we talk about the various some of the things that we have to know. Okay, and in this lecture we'll talk about linear interpolation and circular interpolation. Okay, what is linear interpolation? Linear interpolation is one of the preparatory function. Okay, whenever we have to get our desired shape, we have to machine the when you workpiece, we have to move our tool either in a straight line or in a circular path. Only by this way we can remove the machining and we can get the desired shape. Okay guys, let's move to the linear interpolation. Any machining along straight line including taper lines is done using linear interpolation, that is G01. Okay, the general format for writing instruction block using G01 is 1. First of all, that is sequence number. G01 preparatory function XYZ, it's a coordinate system. F means F force. What will F4 designate, guys? Tell me. This is feed rate. And EOB, the used of G00. Okay. Are you in? What do you mean by EOB? EOB means, some of you know that, but some of you don't know that. Okay, EOB means while I am doing this, I also in confusion. What do you mean by that EOB? Okay, I also think for 1 to 2 minutes, and I just in my mind, it just hit in my mind that it means end of block. Okay, what? This is the block, end of block. Okay, end of block. Okay guys, okay, that's easy. Okay, I just joke with you guys. Okay, this means end of block. You will guys tell me, if you first see this and I didn't tell you that, then you will just in a confusion that before starting this video lecture, I started to tell you guys this the full form of EOB at the last, but some of you are very impatient to know about this. That's why I already told you that is EOB means end of block. The use of G00 and G01 in writing the instruction block, discuss with the given figure. Okay guys, discuss with the given figure. Here is the figure. Okay, first of all, see this program. Okay, this program means, first of all, before writing anything, first of all we have to write sequence number. G90 absolute or incremental coordinate system. This is absolute coordinate system. G90 absolute. What do you mean by absolute coordinate system? Okay, I will tell you guys. Okay, I will just at the last of my page, I did not decide to tell you this guys. Okay, in absolute coordinate system there is only one origin. Okay, G00. From whatever the distance I have to go here, like it means this is 10, 20, this is 30, 10, 20, okay, sorry, 10, 20, and this is 30, and this is 25. Okay, this is the, what is this coordinate? This is 30. First of all, X will go X, and Y 25. Okay, and then I have to go here. Then how I will go? I will go on the basis of the origin. Okay, I will go here. This is 40, and this is 40 by in the reference of this origin. This is called absolute coordinate system. If I have to go the incremental coordinate system, first of all I will go, this is the origin for me. First of all, this is 10 and 20, 10 and 10. Okay, and for the another point, this is the origin. This is called incremental coordinate system. Okay, for this there is only one coordinate system origin, that is this. On the basis of that, I will take all the distance wherever I have to go. If I have to go here, I will write in this minus X and plus Y. So in this way I will write. Okay, and in incremental system, wherever I go, if I have to go this point, before this point, this is for this one point, this is the what? this is the origin for this point. I have to go here for this point, this is the origin. Again I have to relative, okay, we can say that relative distance, I have to take relative distance. Okay, now let's move to the linear interpolation. What linear? First of all, you have to know that first of all, G90 absolute coordinate system, G71 whether it is metric or inch per inch, metric units or inch unit. G94 whether it's mm per revolution or mm per minute feed rate. Okay, M03 it means M03 spindle start. Okay, spindle start. And S8, S means what? Spindle speed. As what? As it designate, I already told you in previous video, guys. Okay, EOB I already told you, end of block. And N000 rapid transfer to X10 Y30 end of block. And N3 rapid transfer to Z equal to 2 end of block. N0 N4 G01, what do we mean by G01? G01 linear interpolation Z minus 5 F 200 end of block, feed rate 200. Okay, let's go to the next page. It's very complicated to make you understand, guys. Okay, first of all I am already given this G00. First of all I will come to this G00 position. Okay, and then what I will go, I have to go from this point. Okay, for this point I already told you guys what we have to give spindle speed. We first of all we will provide absolute coordinate system, whether it is in metric units or inch unit, I have to go do that. And then mm per minute or revolution per minute, and then I have to start my spindle, I have to give feed rate, and then I will go where G01 in this in this till now for G01 linear interpolation Z minus 5, it means minus 5 to depth. I had gone to depth of, if this is the my work surface, I am at G2. Okay, surface, from the surface I am 2 mm above. Now G minus 5 means I will just go and it is rotating and it will cut the metal and it will go the 5 mm depth. Okay, and then it will start cutting. Okay, in this way. Okay, and then cutting start like this. Okay, G00 Z minus 5, it start penetrating it and go to the depth of minus 5, and then it start cutting the minus 5 means all minus 5. Okay, from this minus 5 go to the depth of cut is minus 5, and then it start for this point. What is this point? It will go to the point X10 Y30. Okay, 30, and then the 30 is the same G01 X30 30, it move here. Okay guys, it is the 30. Okay, I will make you guys X30 Y is remain same, so no need to give. Okay, no need to give because I already given that Y equal to 0 in previous. Then now the X and as well as Y is changing. Now to go this point I have to X01 linear interpolation, and if you have given already the linear interpolation, then no need to write linear interpolation always. Okay, for your to remove your confusion, I written that G01. Okay, from here to from here, this is also a linear interpolation. I will call this G01 and then go to what X50 Y, how much above 45. Okay, end of block, and then I will come to the, and then it is penetrated in minus 5. If I have to remove this one, my job workpiece is going to this minus 5 depth. So to remove it I have to call the Z10. 10 means it is above from the surface, it is not touching. Now I can remove my workpiece. Okay, finish workpiece. Okay, G20 I just call the tool above the surface, that is 20 mm above. Okay, G20 end of block, G00 rapid transfers to x minus. X minus means this is my origin and x minus 10. Okay, y00, y is already 0. N9 M02, what is the meaning of M02? Spindle stop. Okay, we can use the M30 induct program and spindle stop M05. Okay, other program. Okay, guys, this is the linear interpolation. Okay, we will talk about the circular interpolation in another video lecture, because it is already 10 minutes. Thank you guys. If you like my video, please do subscribe.